To fix the Laurentian Bank mobile app when it's not working, try these common troubleshooting steps. Check your connection and restart. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Switch between them if needed. Force close the app, then restart your phone. Update the app and device. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Laurentian Bank, and install any available updates. Also update your phone's operating system. Clear cache or reinstall. On Android, go to Settings Étoile, Apps, Laurentian Bank, Storage, Clear cache. On both platforms, uninstall and reinstall the app from the official store. Verify login and eligibility. Use your LBC Direct Access code and password. The app requires an active LBC Direct account and is unavailable for business, LBC Digital, or B2B bank customers. Reset your password via the bank's website or app if needed. Complete two-step verification if prompted. Check for outages. Visit Down Detector or the Laurentian Bank website or status page for service interruptions.